Okay, so today I'm gonna pick one of my very best friend up from Pudong Airport. And what kind of pickup would it be if it doesn't have a car? So, a car. He told me he's gonna bring 3 luggages, so I brought a van. That's him. So I haven't been in Pudong Airport for a long time since I graduated last August. So picking him up, it was a surprise to see this. This is Terminal 1. I haven't been flying that much after I graduated, mainly due to the budget.梁家伟以为他订了个博悦酒店，其实订了一个 Deco。Deco。Okay, we've just checked into a hotel, putting the luggage, and now we're heading back to the city for some awesome food and catch up. For the drink they ordered, it simply open up the rabbit. And for the one that I do, I open the book.
我们要吃兔子，兔子那么可爱。
我们要翻开本书。
我这个打都打不开。
发出来。哇，这个太酷了。
还带了他的宝。
This whole design is just so dope. Guys, check this shit out.
很有创意啊，对吧
？Yo, so happy to have him over here today. So glad to meet him up. Finally.
你现在说话越来越有魅力的感觉。
好了，拜拜。
拜拜，下次见。
拜拜。拜拜，拜拜。你的这发型为什么这么沙雕？今天
没有时间教。
Yeah, today's actually the day to his flight leaving. His flight leaving by 9 o'clock tonight, so we still got some time to hook up all together for the rest of the day. To hang out with your best homies. That's what I meant. 我们要到龙阳路去换4学服。梁建友跟我讲说已经到龙阳路，我也没看，我们就下了。发完之后，所有的指路牌都跟上海科技馆有关系。Yeah, we're about to take the maglev, whatever it is called. I've never been on one of these before. So the maglev used to be the fastest train. It sort of used 2 different magnets to get rid of all the frictions between the wheels and the ground in order to increase that insane speed up to about 300 kph. This man's going back to the state tonight, so I'm gonna miss him. Maglev.
有没有人坐在这个始发站，然后坐到上班？第一水湖，然后坐在这里。 台湾的。进去了，
拜
拜拜，早点回家。
OK，年底见了，拜拜。哈哈，他妈进不去。Make love。We are now at IPM for restroom. So far we heard they have the best restroom, the most gorgeous, well-defined toilet in Shanghai. That's what we're here for. Pee. 我们前面过了一个超窄的路口，像个水泥墩一样，它应该是个工程工地一条小。Literally， 它就这边有一个墩子，那边有个墩子。两家伙前面下车，站在前面跟我指路，说往左一点开，往右一点开，还说反了。我差点撞上去要赔车。